My name is Hans. I'm a software engineer slash tech lead. Our mission is to build the best and the fastest data warehousing, SQL warehousing experience. Our service is in rapid growth, growing probably the fastest I've ever seen a software product grow. When you want to optimize a system and make it do something new, it's sort of like walking into a candy store of finding all sorts of things that you can improve. We want our engineers to be independent thinkers that seek out things to improve and go after it. So we really want to foster grassroots innovation. Figure out where the opportunities, like the code you wrote last year is now falling apart from scaling issues. It's like a good problem to have in that sense, right? But also from new types of workloads. And as you enter new types of workloads where people want to do interactive data exploration or click around a dashboard interactively, then you might need to run more queries and run them faster. And if there's like a significant latency hit, then that will be noticeable. It matters whether the system has a 1 millisecond or a 1 second overhead in executing a query. I've noticed that the culture is very collaborative. In my project, we had weekly brainstormings with Mate, our CTO, right? We, from time to time, have impromptu strategy brainstorming with Reynold, who's our chief architect, right? I read the paper on Delta Lake that was written by Michael Armbrust that sort of really bootstrapped the whole lakehouse movement on top of the data lake, right? And it was cool to then work on a project with the guy who wrote it. Exactly what problem or what algorithm you program or whatever, it's important, but it's not as important as just working along great people on real problems with real issues and real challenges. There is no substitute for just solving real problems again and again with slightly different variations, because that's something school does not teach you. You're never going to move mountains alone. Databricks is definitely one such place, right? Where you can work on industry-leading problems in a place that values going and solving the really deep, hard problems and work with a team that can really execute.